Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make a chocolate depression cake. Now this isn't depression like you have physically. It is depression, called depression because of in the day when there was a depression. And with everything that's going on in the world today, sometimes it's hard to get certain ingredients. So this particular cake doesn't use eggs, doesn't use milk, which are things that might be hard to come by. So these particular cake doesn't use those. So this is just flour and a few ingredients. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, where I teach you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking that you can share with your family and friends. Now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all new videos. So let's get into today's recipe. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients. In my mixing bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of chocolate cocoa. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. And then when we get ready for the frosting, I'll go over the ingredients for the frosting. Okay, so we're going to take and dump our dry ingredients in. First, our sugar, our cocoa, our salt, and our baking soda. And give that a mix, get that mixed around. Alrighty, and then we're going to add all of our liquids. Just pour them all in. This is a very easy cake. You just do all your dry and you do all your liquids. Vinegar. And then the 1 cup of water. Now if you want a high intense chocolate flavor, you can use coffee instead of water. Makes it a nice rich chocolate, but I'm just going to use the water for now. So we just get this in here and get it mixed up. It's a real thick batter. Get it mixed up real good. Now this particular cake, like I said, it's called a depression cake because it was made back in the day when there wasn't any a lot of ingredients, and all these ingredients that I got today I got out of the pantry. I didn't have to go to the store for anything. I had everything in the pantry. So that's mixed up. Now we'll get it into our cake pan. Okay, so we've got our 9x9 pan. We're going to give it a spray with some cooking spray, so our cake will come out nice and easy. Just give it a little spray. And then we're going to take our batter and just pour it into the pan. And then I've got my oven at 350 degrees. And we're going to get it into the oven and get it baked. And then when it comes out, I'll show you the icing that goes on top. Okay, so we're going to put the icing together now for the cake. So let me show you the ingredients that are going to go into it. First, I'm going to take my softened butter and put it in. I'm going to give it a little mix. Kind of get it softened up a little bit. Okay, then we're going to add the powdered sugar. 1 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa, teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Now if it's not thin enough like you like it, then you can just add some more milk, which is probably what I'm going to do. Okay. And there we have our nice chocolate icing for our cake. Now our cake is out of the oven and I've got it frosted. I'm going to get me a little piece here. You know, the first piece is the hardest to get to come out. There we go, beautifully. Okay, so here's our chocolate cake. It's come out with the nice frosting. Let's give it a taste. See how it is. Oh yeah. It's kind of thick, almost like a brownie, but not quite like a brownie. It's very, very delicious, got a good flavor, and the frosting is just the right enough sweetness to contrast the cake itself. This is very, very delicious. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed making this chocolate cake. Hope you make it for your family. It's very, very easy. And check out some of my other videos that you'll see come up right here. And this is Chef Fred saying, go and cook something great today. I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.